Okay guys, today I'd like to actually review my very own gaming mouse. I mean, you can call it a gaming mouse. It is the Logitech G703, if you guys can see right here, which is the Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse by Logitech. So right here is the packaging we got, and on the side you can see some of the technical specification, which for some reason it's not focusing. All right, there we go. So it says this sensor PWM 3366 up to 12,000 dpi. Wait, my hand is shaking for some reason. Let me just put it right there. Bam. So responsiveness, USB data format, so all that is not important. What is important would be the DPI, the battery life, about the weight. With the mouse only is 107 grams. Cable length is 1.83 meters. Okay, cool. So at the back it says there play advanced. Okay, for some reason it's not focusing well today. Okay, it says there play with true freedom and advanced performance, light speed 2.4 gigahertz, blah blah blah. Basically it's comfortable. So right here is the mouse. It's still, I mean, I have sweaty palms, so I mean, you can guys see a bit of sweat stains, but a bit like here and there. So here we have the scroll wheel. This button is basically to switch the DPI to various preset values on the software. And if I'm not wrong, you can set up to 4 or 5 levels of DPI. You have the side buttons right here, you know, for switching weapons in game, or you know, you can actually set it to do anything. So if you are into like video editing, this might be useful as well. On the other side, it's nothing much though. There is like this dent right here, which I have no clue how it happened, but yeah, that's the only sad thing about this mouse so far. Yeah, in terms of lighting, this logo and right in the middle of the scroll wheel right here, it basically glows, and there's multiple effects, you know, the usual pulse, a single color, the rainbow effect. On the bottom it's just saying Logitech with the logo and the G703, and you have the on and off. So right now it's switched off, so it's red. When you turn it on, there you go, you see the lights. Currently it's at the rainbow effect. Pretty cool. Let me just switch off this light so you guys can see the lighting effect. Okay, so let me switch that off. And right inside here, I mean, I do not want to open it, but basically if I press this tab right here, I can actually add some weight. So let me just, can I just pause the video? Okay, maybe there's no way to pause. Let me just try and open with my one hand. Show you guys there's like some weight pieces I can add to make it heavier, or even totally remove it to make it lighter. Just give me a second. There we go. So that, as you can see, that's the packaging. It's nothing else in the box. So what you get when you buy would be this, or excuse me. And that's the spare additional weight right here. Let me remove this piece, which looks sort of like a coin. So it says right here, let me just flip that real quick. So zooming in, let me just try and get it to zoom. It says there 10 grams, okay? And the Logitech logo at the bottom. So that is, if you want to add some additional weight, you can do that with this mouse. Overall review, it feels good in the hand. So if you're someone which has relatively big hands and you prefer to hold the mouse and have the entirety of your palm to be gripping on the mouse, this mouse is perfect. But if you're someone who prefers like a claw grip style, someone with smaller hands, or just prefer gripping to something smaller, this would not be the right mouse for you. That would be something of this size. I mean, this is just another wireless mouse that I use for my laptop. It is the M22-1. Very cheap. It is small, it is light. I mean, it's not gaming or anything, but yeah, as you can see the size comparison side by side, it's quite a big difference actually. Man, I don't know what's wrong with the focusing on the video. Anyways, so that is essentially the review of the Logitech G703 mouse. Now let me just take a picture for the thumbnail real quick. Let me just turn this on. Bam. Anyways, to those who have watched the video, I know I appreciate the support. How about you guys leave a comment, like, or subscribe in the comments. So yeah, thank you for watching.